this game is. And
on these heavy mounts at the end, launching
the
torpedo
YouTuber.
on its journey to the target ship.
Ja, ik weet het. Maar ik ga vandaag op
This is stuff you rarely see. These are bullet holes
Big
caused
fan.
by a bullet coming through that slit. Pretty incredible. Forensic evidence of an attack.
Ik heb er wel tof
I have to
gehoord.
say, I've seen big naval structures, but as far as location goes, you can't really beat this. Absolutely spectacular.
The story of Hitler's Norwegian fortress begins in December 1939. The Nazis have already annexed Austria and Czechoslovakia and marched into Poland. In response, Britain and France have declared war on Germany, but hostilities have yet to begin. Hitler and his generals plan their next move. They believe the First World War was lost because Germany lacks strategic naval bases. What they need is access to the Atlantic coast, and Norway offers 1,500 miles of it.
Wir sind nahe dran. We stand on the brink of writing history. Die Frage ist, the question is, unsere Feinde, what will our enemies do next?
Mein Führer, Norway gives us the naval bases we need, die wir brauchen.
Großbritannien it is possible Britain will take these bases if we don't. Are you suggesting we occupy Reda?
Ja, mein Führer.
Dann ist es entschieden. Then it is decided. Norway will be the zone of destiny in this war. The days until the occupation is completed will impose only the greatest nervous strain of my life. But I'm confident of victory.
On the 9th of April 1940, codenamed Weser Day, 9,000 German troops launch an invasion of both Denmark and Norway. In just 3 hours, Denmark surrenders to the German army. And almost the entire German Navy attacks 6 key Norwegian ports. In the far north, Narvik, the most prized port of all, is captured. Half of all Germany's iron ore imports are transported by train from Sweden to Narvik. Iron that feeds the Nazi war machine. Britain and her allies send a massive naval task force to confront the German occupying forces.
The invasion of Norway is a massive gamble for Hitler. He's committing large proportion of his still quite small Kriegsmarine, his navy, into an operation which is going to be exposing them to the full might of the Royal Navy, the world's largest at the time.
What follows is one of the greatest naval battles of World War II, as the British and German navies fight for supremacy of the fjords around Narvik. Military historian Mike Pavelek has travelled to northern Norway to discover the remains of a German ship run aground in the battle for this crucial port city.
Should be in sight. There it is. I see it now. The rusting hulk of the Gartia.
Trapped at the end of a fjord, the Z2 class destroyer, the Georg Tille, is on fire and rapidly taking on water.
The captain decides he's going to run aground so that the complement could get off the ship because it was so heavily damaged by the Royal Navy that he knew it was going to sink if he didn't get everybody off the ship. A bit at the top here, it looks like where he ran it aground up on the rocks, and then over time it has come back a little bit and then it capsized. Or it could be actual battle damage. You can only see a tiny portion, maybe 40 or 50 feet of the entire 400-foot ship. The rest of it's angled down into the depths of this fjord. It gets so deep so quickly. Shipwrecks are so intriguing and interesting. You want to figure out how and why they died. This is awesome. Never dreamed I'd get this close to it. Yeah, you could see the rock where it ran aground. You see a bunch of different construction methods here. You have arc welding and you have rivets that hold the ship together And this is only one of the 10 German destroyers lost at the Battle of Narvik. 4 in this fjord alone.
Thanks to the heroism of the captain, who was awarded a Knight's Cross by Hitler, over 300 of his men survive. But within the course of just 4 days and 2 major battles, half of all Germany's destroyers sink at Narvik. It's a disaster for the Kriegsmarine. Hitler's greatest gamble, to seize Norway and steal its Atlantic ports, is in danger of ending before it's begun. The Norwegian port of Narvik has seen one of the biggest naval battles of World War II. The action moves from sea to land. German mountain troops, paratroopers, and around 2,500 sailors from stricken ships make it ashore. But they're vastly outnumbered by some 25,000 Allied and 10,000 Norwegian troops. The Germans are forced to retreat and give up control of the port and its vital iron ore railway. They withdraw inland, led by one of Hitler's favourite generals, Edward Dietl.
Dietl is a really interesting character. He's a career soldier, he's very brave and tenacious, and he's tactically sharp as well. He is the first commander of the Gebirgsjäger, the German mountain troops, very much the first poster boy of the German army. The kind of soldier's soldier that Hitler likes to think he identifies with.
Meine Herren, gentlemen, this will be our biggest test of endurance. Survival in these mountains requires constant vigilance. The divisions have to come from this side. We owe it to the Third Reich not to show any weakness. Lieutenant, have the fresh supplies made it through yet?
Nein.
Keep me informed. Right, one more time.
On the 10th of May 1940, Hitler launches his blitzkrieg attack on France. Allied troops in Norway are forced to evacuate to support the French. Left virtually undefended, the Norwegian government also flees the country. The German army seizes the opportunity to take back Narvik. On the 10th of June, Norway finally surrenders to the Third Reich and becomes the most northerly outpost of Hitler's new empire. German attention turns to protecting the country's most prized asset, Norway's Atlantic bases.
What? Ma.